Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best side hustles for teens in 2022. As a teenager, it's always a good idea to have some extra cash on hand, whether it's saving it for a big purchase or just for some extra spending money. And with the rise of the freelance market, it's easier than ever to find a side hustle that fits your interests and your schedule. So, I hear you ask, what are the best side hustles? Well, I've given you 5 ideas to help you get started. Number 1. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you love animals and have some free time on your hands, consider starting a dog walking or pet sitting business. Not only will you get to spend time with cute pets, but you'll also get some exercise and fresh air. You can advertise your services through social media or on local neighbourhood forums. Number 2. Online tutoring or teaching. Are you excelling in a certain subject, such as math or science? Consider offering your services as an online tutor or teacher. With the popularity of virtual learning, there is a high demand for qualified tutors who can help students with their coursework. You can advertise your services on tutoring websites or through your school's guidance department. Number 3. Freelance writing or graphic design. If you enjoy creative writing or graphic design, consider offering your services as a freelancer. You can create a portfolio of your work and advertise your services on freelance job websites such as Fiverr or Upwork. Or you could advertise your services through social media as your own brand. Number 4. Lawn care or landscaping. Do you enjoy being outdoors and working with your hands? Consider starting a lawn care or landscaping business. You can offer services such as mowing lawns, raking leaves, and trimming hedges. You can advertise your services through social media or by posting flyers in your local neighbourhood. Number 5. Virtual assistant. If you have strong organisational and communication skills, consider becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can offer a variety of services, such as scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, or conducting research. You can find virtual assistant job openings on freelance job websites or through networking with small business owners. With a little bit of creativity and determination, you can find your perfect side hustle that fits your interests and your schedule. And who knows, you might even discover a passion that you never knew you had. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more side hustle related content. Once again, thank you.